Jason Danard here from the Calgary Stockyards with your weekly cattle market report for this week ending October 3rd. On a little bit lighter week of trade in a week where we did see some pressure on the market after an unprecedented run that we've been on for the last year. On the direct trade this week, we saw fed cattle under pretty significant pressure with trade on either side of 5.10 on the rail delivered, and that's about a $15 drop from last week. On the live trade on team, we saw a trade a little bit higher than the direct trade, but about a $5 drop from last week, and we did see trade from 305 to 309.5. Cows also under some pressure with trade on either side of 430 on the rail delivered, and that's about a $10 drop from last week. Feeder cattle market again under pressure, but levels as high as we've ever seen in October, and we did see trade as follows. We saw the 1,000-pound heifers trade at 429, 9-weight heifers 430 to 475, 8-weight heifers at 451. Moving on to the calves, we saw 7-weight steer calves trade from 535 to 596, 6-weight steer calves 583 to 671, heifers 535 to 598, 5-weight steer calves 638 to 720, heifers 574 to 634, and 4-weight heifers trade at 683. And please note that most of these team feeder cattle prices are picked up at the farm or ranch. And it should also be noted that this week we did see more trade on the bred heifers, and they sold from 58 and a quarter to 63 and a quarter, and they sold to outstanding demand. Join us again on Friday. This week we are featuring Angus influenced calves and yearlings. Give your local team agent a call to get your cattle listed for this week's sale. And for further market information, visit us online at teamauctionsales.com, on Facebook at Team Auction Sales, on X at Jason Danard, email jasondanard@hotmail.com, or call or text anytime 403-519-8916. Have a great week.